Hello, I'm Roisin Ni Chleirigh with the Irish Political Roundup, and I am joined by another great senator, Senator Tom Clonan. Senator Tom Clonan, you have been such an advocate for so many people, but especially for disabilities.
Yeah, so I've four adults, inverted commas, children, 24, 23, 21 and 18. And my 23-year-old son, Owen, has a neuromuscular disease and he's a wheelchair user. So I suppose the experience of being a parent and a carer to a young disabled man and our family experience of that has kind of, I suppose, pushed us into advocacy and now a huge privilege to be elected as a senator. But my only motivation as a politician is to try and vindicate disabled rights, the rights of disabled citizens in Ireland, people like my son, and the rights of carers.
We've heard since the last general election that there's money galore, that there's money here, there's money there, but there doesn't seem to be going money to the most vulnerable people of our society, like disabilities.
Yeah, well, for sure, disabled citizens in Ireland experience higher levels of enduring poverty than any other group in our society. Higher levels of homelessness, isolation, loneliness, poor health outcomes. And, some simple steps the government could take, for example, would be to remove means testing for disability allowance. That should be a universal non-means tested payment. And that would actually encourage more disabled citizens to go into the workplace, because at the moment they're terrified of losing their medical cards and their housing assistance and so on. And we have the lowest participation rate in the workplace in the OECD for disabled citizens and in the European Union, which is, again, is shameful. And that would be a simple step the government could take to help disabled citizens. And again, not an expensive or outrageous expenditure, but it would make, again, such a huge difference. And the same for carers allowance. That should be a non-means tested universal payment.
And thank you, Senator Tom Clonan, for taking the time to speak to us on the Irish Political Roundup.
Thank you.